Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings icon and scroll to the additional settings. Now we got here the gesture shortcuts panel, and just here you can see that we can launch the Google Assistant with the press for seconds on our power button, so that's work. Also we can turn off this function. Now we can take a screenshot with the slide fingers with our 3 fingers down at the same time. Also we can launch the camera ball with double press on the power button or to the volume button when your screen is locked. And now also we can just turn on the torch if we double pressing on the power button. As can you see, this function is activated. Now we'll turn off this function, and now we'll go here to the button shortcuts. Also you can see that with the long press on the hold button, menu and back button, we can select one for the function. For example, we'll launch the Google Assistant by pressing on the home button for a few seconds. As can you see, this function is activated. Also you can just change the power button plus home button with power to the plus menu and back button. So you can just select this. Just like take a screenshot with the power and menu. Okay, one more time. As can you see, we can make the screenshot. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.